If you want to learn how to join the shoulder of a male shirt professionally, here is the video that you should watch, as I'll be showing you how professional tailors join the shoulder while they are sewing a male shirt. You can see that I've already joined the back pattern. I've made the two back hooks and I've also added my stay. Now I'm placing one of the front patterns, which is the right front pattern, the side that you are going to tack your button on just one of the shoulders, one of the back hooks. Please watch very well and observe how I position it. You must also ensure that that neckline is equal, is very rhyme. Even if the other side of the shoulder is not equal, that neckline must be rhyme. And then you sew it down with half an inch, with just 0.5 inch. Now I'm placing the second side, which is the left side of the front pattern, the part where we did the button stand. You may need to watch my last video to know how to sew a male shirt button stand, and I'm just doing the same thing again. If you want to learn how to sew a male shirt professionally, you may send me or drop a DM or drop a comment for me so I can organize a 1 week intensive shirt making program for both male and female shirt. You can see now the shoulder is formed. If you always wonder how the shoulder is sealed, this is what is inside it. I've joined the first shoulder and then I'm going to position the back one, the back yoke, the second back yoke, which is at the back. I'm going to fold it on the front one like this, and then I'm going to sew it down again. In this time, I'm going to sew close to the edge of that folding. I'm sure you would have seen how male shirts are usually, the shoulder of male shirt are usually formed. So this is what is there. You can see the way I am gently folding it on the first shoulder, and I am like more of top stitching it. I'm done with that. I'm going to do the second one exactly the same. You can see that the neckline, that neckline side is equal. One is no longer than the other, so it blend with the shoulder and the front pattern. You can see a blend on that side of the neckline. That's the way you should sew your own too. If you have been having any form of challenges sewing your male shirt, you can drop that question that you may have for me in the comments, and then I'll know how to address that in my next video. I'm going to complete this shirt in other videos, and I don't want you to miss that. Ensure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you then.